In this presentation, we will set up a payroll item for dental insurance that is paid after taxes for our employees so that we can then process the payroll with this new payroll item, comparing and contrasting this new payroll item to the prior payroll, which does not have the dental insurance payroll item within QuickBooks Online. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. Here we are in our S-Corp paid payroll file. We're going to go down to the Workers tab on the left side. So we're in the Workers tab. We're going to then go down to our employee. We have our Anthony employee here. We're going to say, hey, Anthony, we have added another item related to dental insurance. Would you like to participate in this? And Anthony's going to say, yeah, I would like to participate. So we're going to go ahead and set up the pay information for it. Scrolling down to section 3, so we have section 3 where we have set up the 401k in the past. We're now going to add a new item for Anthony. We're going to go down to the deductions and contribution type. We're going to say this is a health insurance type of contribution. And what we're going to do is go through the different kind of scenarios we can have for health insurance. And we'll do that by looking at some of the health insurance kind of components we have here. We've got dental, vision, and medical. We're going to start with the dental and choose some different options within them. Some of them will be similar, of course, that's why they're grouped together between the options for medical, vision, and dental options. So we're going to go down to the employee deduction. Within the amount per pay period, we have either an amount or percentage of gross pay. This time, typically, you would want an amount because the amount is probably going to be some set amount. And even though the gross pay may go up or down, the amount we're going to pay for the insurance probably will be somewhat set. We're just going to say $20 for our amount here. You could set, of course, then the maximum dollar amount. Then we have our options down here, whether it be taxable insurance premiums or pre-tax insurance premiums. And this has to do with whether or not there will be taxes calculated on the insurance premiums that the employee and or employer are paying. For the first item, we're going to say that it is a taxable, meaning it's just going to be something that we're going to be removing from the paycheck. However, it's not going to affect or decrease the taxes paid. If we were to qualify, then we can have the pre-tax insurance premium, and in that case, then we would have a lowering of taxes, including at the least the federal income tax and possibly Social Security and Medicare, depending on qualifications. So this is going to be a big deal, this difference. It could be a benefit either way. To give a group policy might be a benefit to be able to pay directly out of the paycheck for the dental insurance rather than the employee having to make those payments outside is a benefit in and of itself. And then it would be an added benefit if we can make those payments non-taxable, kind of like a benefit, a fringe benefit that would be non-taxable payments. We're not going to include the company paid contribution at this time. We'll take a look at other options for health insurance or insurance type options later, comparing and contrasting some of these options as we do. So once that is set up, we're going to say OK. And it'll tell me we didn't have a provider here. So we're going to add the provider. So it's again, I'm just going to call it dental provider so we can see it. And that will appear on our paycheck information. So this is going to be what will be showing up there. So we'll say dental provider and then say OK. Then we will say done, and we've set that information up. So we have the employee up top. If we go back then to the employee list, we'll be back to our information with our one employee, and we're ready to process the next payroll that now has this new item and compare and contrast it to prior payrolls which do not. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.